Body. All right, really gnarly ride here. Did all the mud flats and stuff. Also broke a tie rod and drove back with one wheel dangling on the YXZ. And then took the Land Cruiser around, and then a big P500 flipped over. Pure madness. Damn it!
She done.
Oh.
Well, we can't go very much further.
Spun it off the rim.
I hit that.
It's like, it's always full of fish and shit.
Yeah, last time I came out, we had catfish in the floorboard.
Yeah. No. Dude, I caught a garfish in that hole right there last week, a fucking 3-foot gar.
You don't take the shortcut. That's for sissies.
Yeah, that's for. Oh! The water coming through that slit.
Out of the steering
fucking pissing on you. Oh! The screen relocate! Look at it go!
Thank goodness, because it would be wet there.
Hell, I'm gonna put it, oh shit! Oh no!
Normally we turn there, don't we?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a bad idea. I wouldn't go on this road.
Yeah, grab them stones.
Yeah, clear it out. Oh shit! They're swimming. Hey, bro! It's like shielded by the windshield. Alright, so I didn't actually get it on video, but right after this, I hit a little stump and one of my tie rods just snapped. Do not put eBay tie rods on anything. Though the Yamaha ones are on back order. But yeah, it snapped for no reason. So I did eventually get on the trailer though, I promise. It was hilarious. So obviously we weren't done riding, so I just left this junk in the parking lot and got in that Land Cruiser, which wasn't quite ready for its Holopaw debut. Still on stock suspension here. Still had the 33s on there, but it did great. Got stuck a few times, but it was all dark and we were all drunk, so I didn't get all that on video. But man, that thing really did awesome for a stock Lexus, and I was just really punishing it. What a machine she is. But now it's all set up on, got locker, front and rear lift, etc. So it should ride a lot smoother. You can see it's very bouncy here. But yeah, crazy ride. I'll post a long version of this video. People always ask. I've got a long version of the video from last weekend I need to post. But yeah, I'll get those up later this week.
Down. The tires was in the air and the roof was in the water.